Hello everyone, so if you want to enable or disable the engine multi-threading in the new Path of Exile 2 game, so the setting is same for both Path of Exile 1 or Path of Exile 2. So what you need to do is simply click on the option button. Next, select the graphic setting from the top menu. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You go to the advanced setting. Here in the advanced setting, you will be able to find this engine multi-threading. So right click on it, and then here you can enable and disable the multi-threading in the new Path of Exile 2 game. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more informative video like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.